Most of you have know well about the best detoxifier juice, Ash Gourd Juice. This video is all about creating more deep insights about the Ash Gourd Juice rooted in our traditional Siddha wisdom as well as modern research techniques. Siddha system also states that Ash Gourd Juice is the best detoxifier, especially in removing the metallic toxins. Since we all live in an environment full of pollution, it is essential to remove the unwanted metallic toxins from the body. So the Ash Gourd juice helps to remove the metallic toxins. And second thing, it also postulates that the Ash Gourd juice helps to heal internal bleeding. Any wound or ulcer that arises within the body, within the blood arteries or within or any organs, the bleeding may occur. So this Ash Gourd juice helps to heal the internal bleeding. Ash Gourd juice also supports the body in a state of severe dehydration. It alleviates the Pitta dosha, and mainly Siddha postulates that the Ash Gourd juice help to remove the heat pertaining to the bones. So any arthritic condition that is associated with inflammation, heat, swelling and pain, the Ash Gourd juice help to reduce the heat pertaining to the bones. So patients with osteoarthritis who have swelling and warmth over the joints can consume the Ash Gourd juice to detoxify and reduce the inflammation and heat over the bones. This will improve your bone health. It serves as the best tonic, it nourishes your body and also it controls intense itching in the body. Now we'll go to the modern research studies. So the nutritional value of the Ash Gourd juice, it have calcium, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium. Since it is good in potassium and magnesium, it promotes the cardiovascular health and it's very good for the people with elevated blood pressure levels. And it is an antacid food. It reduces the acidity in your body. So it is an alkaline food that promotes the healing of ulcer, gastric ulcer. It improves the digestion and it is very good for your gut health and gut microbiome. That is your gut bacteria. Ash Gourd juice is rich in vitamin E, vitamin C and beta carotene. So it helps to reduce the cortisol level and reduce the inflammation in the body. Ash Gourd is not only simple detoxifier, but it also reduces the inflammatory effects produced by the toxins and recover your body to the normal healthy state. So it is a detoxifier as well as anti-inflammatory food. Since it has a beta carotene, it is very good to promote your eyesight. It is good for eyes as well as skin health. It relaxes the muscle, reduces the depression. It is also an anxiolytic food, that is a sattvic food that reduces anxiety and panic attacks. It protects the nervous system and improves the memory. And now most of the people drink this Ash Gourd juice for weight loss. You know how it helps the weight loss. It acts on the specific receptors on the cell and help to remove intracellular accumulation of fats. So it interrupts the fat storage as well as it acts on the fatty acid metabolism and checks or controls the over fat production. It helps to reduce the insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is the main cause for the type 2 diabetes nowadays in early 30s and 40. And this insulin resistance is also a main cause of PCOD and infertility. Since the Ash Gourd reduces the insulin resistance, it helps in control of diabetes as well as hormonal imbalance. So these are all the benefits of Ash Gourd juice. Now it is a point who must not take the Ash Gourd juice. People with wheezing, sinusitis, bronchitis, cold and cough or at the time of fever, please do not consume the Ash Gourd juice. And Ash Gourd juice is not much suitable for people who are kabadegi by birth. So kabadegi in sense they will be stout in their appearance from birth and always a little bit cold to touch. So kabadegi can have this juice in moderation along with pepper and ginger, and it can have once in a while, not on regular basis. And some people with over water retention, swelling over the legs or kidney issues, better to avoid the Ash Gourd juice. And next, people who have the kidney stones or fever, avoid Ash Gourd juice. So stay healthy naturally. Dr. Chithra Balaji, Siddha physician.